So you got into an ITK or any colleges in general, and the only thought you're spiraling between is, will my expectations meet the reality or no? Let's just find out through this video, okay?
I'm Sanjana and I played as a news reporter.
So let's talk. But I didn't make coffee since like a long time now, and by long time, well, I made coffee like 3 hours ago, but then I didn't make coffee with the machine in like 3 days now, and it's kind of like a survival thing for me. So yeah, let's just talk while I make a cup of coffee for myself. Yeah, let's just dive into my first year at an IDK.
One of the hardest things is to please people.
Is it okay? Well, machine is here. Yeah, I guess it'll be okay. Yeah, let's just
Start making coffee and start the video.
okay. So I have my laptop with me. I've written things here what I'll to include. So let's just start with the very first thing. The very first thing when I like got to know that I got into an IT, and then I was like, how will my life just be there? I mean, how am I gonna live alone? How am I gonna like just live in the hostels, and how am I gonna manage with those washrooms and stuff? I thought that hostels will be kind of bad, and washrooms won't be clean, and the food will be bad. But no, hostel, well, it was okay. We can just like live there and like live a good life. If you just like decorate your room a little bit, it's just okay. And the washrooms, well, they're clean every day, at least for girls. It's clean every day. And mess food, it's good. And I'm just considering the point of girls here because we have like a private catering thing, and that's why I guess the food is good. I will not talk about guys like boys mess food. Yeah. And I also thought that classes will be chill. And first year would be chill because someone told me that first year at like engineering college is chill. You can just, it will be easy and the quizzes will be easy and everything. I was in this dilemma. I took it wrong because it wasn't easy, it was not chill. You need to grind. People are gonna grind, so you have to grind. This is the reality, period. Yes. I also thought that if I study like just the last minute, I'll be getting great grades. But hell no, you need to study. You need to study since I don't know about other kids, bro, but if you are someone who is like involved in many things, you just have to keep up with studying every day. You cannot expect to just study the whole thing just before a day. It's just coming from my perspective again. Yeah. If you need good grades, you need to sit. You need to grind. You just have to. This is the reality. Yes. Yeah, I'll just get a little bit of like equipment to just make my coffee. Yeah. I just went out and now I have to make coffee for 2 people. Me and my brother. Yeah. Let's go. Let's just make it. Yeah, the next thing about the campus. The expectation and reality, it's the same because bro, campus is beautiful, it's pretty, it's gorgeous, it's just green everywhere. You'll find snakes, you'll find peacocks, and you'll find cats everywhere. It's like a normal thing there. You cannot just avoid these. Yeah, you're gonna learn Python, but you might see Python, so just don't be that scared about it because it is normal. Yeah. About social life. Okay, so this is something. See, before I didn't think that I would be an extrovert. I always thought of myself as like introvert before joining the college. Even my MBTI test, like the personality test, showed that I was an introvert. But after going there, I found out that I am an extrovert. It's like my personality was changed. But about like the social life, when I was like new there, it was hard for me to socialize. Social anxiety, yeah, that was there, and it is pretty normal. Okay, it is pretty normal, but that, yeah, it was something. You think that you just find people quickly. You just go there and make friends, like a group of friends, and you just go out every weekend. That's not gonna happen. That won't happen. Even if you are an extrovert, it won't happen. And if it will, then bro, that friend group won't last. It's just a fact. You have to accept it. But eventually, I found out people. I found few friends in semester 1, and it was great. But like the best thing about the friendship, I found great friends in semester 2 more, and I really like now know who are what. Like I just know people better now, and I did like, yeah, there was like this one friend who now I don't talk to, and it's absolutely fine. You don't have to like, what, you shouldn't like expect that if this person is my friend, then he or she will like stay forever. It's fine if people cannot keep up with you. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. You have to let people know. This is something which I learned, and I mean I learned it before as well. But after here it was kind of clear, and it's just fine. It just is easy to accept things if you know it beforehand. Yeah. So maybe as your senior, I'm just saying this. So yeah, just learn to accept whatever is whatever will happen. Besties, my gorgeous concentrated cup of coffee. Well, let's just put this into an actual cup of coffee. Cup. Yeah. Now let's talk about clubs, fests. Well, for me, I am someone who is like kind of multi-talented, and I am multi-talented, and I like doing like various things. But after getting here, you need to like learn. If you are someone like me, you need to learn that you cannot do everything, and you have to manage things which are like more important things. And yeah, especially during fests, you cannot do everything because there are like many things going on at the same time. You practically cannot. And for clubs, there are like various clubs you can join into, and just make like a priority list before getting anywhere. If you're in any colleges, I'm like sure that your colleges would be having like clubs and stuff. Just do a research before getting there. Like what clubs are there and what you want to get into. Just make a priority list, and this would be better because I didn't make a priority list, and I just got confused with which club I should get into and which I shouldn't, and I kind of regret things. But it's okay. It's literally okay. I am fine wherever I am, whichever club I am into. Yeah, I would just say, if I would be like a fresher again, then I would just make a priority list of like everything I want to do, because time management is something which you really need to learn, and it comes only if you set your priorities straight. Yes, let's add like well, who doesn't love ice? And especially if you're getting into an ITK and if you like love ice, then bro, just enjoy your time, because you are not gonna get ice there. It's except like if you go out into like some cafe or something, yeah, you're not gonna get ice anywhere in an ITK. So just saying to enjoy your home life before just being there. Oh my god, that was actually strong. Yeah. I love it. Yeah. Bro, this looks so good. Wait, I need to show it. Now that my coffee is ready, let's talk about Portugal. Well, expectation was like, I know that there would be like it won't be easy, but then I didn't think that it would be this hard. But I thought, yeah, personal growth would be like this or like this. No, it was like, the graph, I'll just put it like somewhere here around, just for your better visual thingy. Yeah. Anyways, my personal growth, it was like that, and I think like it's the same for everyone because it is not easy to just grow. It takes a lot to grow, and one of the best thing I would say that my confidence level, which is great, it is good enough and not like overconfident or like underconfident. It's perfect, and I like it because when you're confident, you shine, bro. Yes. And what do I even talk more about personal growth? Because I literally told about this in like last video, and Sem 2 was more deep when it comes to like personal growth because I was like a part of this one team, like the cultural fest, and that actually did teach me a lot, and I'm truly grateful to just be a part of that. Yeah, what else do I like say about like my personal growth? Things were hard, things were overwhelming, you feel lost sometimes, but then you just know how to handle things. You just get used to it. I mean, not to how you feel like bad, but you know how to overcome this particular situation. You just get a hint of it, and I guess this teaches you more than what your academics will like ever teach you in life, and this is something really important, to just be a human. Yeah. My final thought: will I do all of it again? Only if you remove the academics part from my first year, then yes. Okay, but jokes aside, when I first came to NITK, I had this perfect picture in my head that freedom, fun, friends, and that occasional studying. Well, some of it did come true, but a lot of it just surprised me in ways I never had expected. And about my personal growth again, I learned to a little extent how to manage time, how to deal with uncertainties of life, and how to like step out of your comfort zone, and how it is okay to be like not having everything figured out. Well, for me, NITK is not just a degree path, but like its experiences gave me those values and lessons which shaped me who I am becoming. And this is beautiful. So if you're about to join an ITK or any colleges really, just go in with an open mind and know that your experiences won't be perfect, but it will be uniquely yours. So just trust the process, let the journey unfold. And also, if I look back into like my first year, the experience and everything, it definitely wasn't what I expected it to be like, and maybe that's the beauty of it. And if I could go back and say something to my better self, it would be Just
You are going to be just fine. Just trust the process. It will be great. All the best. Bye-bye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well.